What's up, everybody? Space Donks here. How is everybody doing? I started this channel last week. I'm not a professional. I just share my ideas and what I'm up to and what put more money in my portfolios. And I open up my stocks here. Space Donks. Check this out. Virgin Galactic holdings today. Today is Wednesday. It's 4:02 p.m. ET. It's Wednesday, February 17th, 2021. And I'm here to share, if you're here for the first time and you're a fellow space holder or you're interested, Richard Branson's baby here, his company that literally is going to put space tourism on the map. It's going to happen. Going into the weekend very high because there was a scheduled flight and unfortunately it got canceled. But that happens, no big deal. So here we are after hours now. It's 4:03 p.m. and yeah, we were up here at an all-time high, as you can see, and you can see my returns. Everybody wants to know right away, of course. It's exciting, yes. Right there, 48 shares at 25.57 average. To be 100% honest, I have another portfolio, and I already opened that up on this channel, and I think I have over 20 shares there at like 26 and change. I can't remember everything. I have to look at the screen. I have a lot going on here. So I'm up overall. My total return is plus 93.48% today. And there's a lot of volatility with this stock, of course. And I would recommend, if you're a first-time trader and you're like me, look, I've been doing this is my third year. And I do keep money in the bank, but I also put a lot into stocks for 3 years right now. Stonks, I should say. And I've been doing amazing. I always put, my simple plan is quality stocks. I invest in them. Growth stocks, Apple, Amazon, stuff like this that I really like. And I just let those go, and I take a small percent of my portfolio. Like, I'm not throwing thousands and thousands into space, but I do believe in it. I believe this is gonna be a really high 100+ stock. Why else would I invest in it? And we're gonna get real quick into the ETF with Kathy Wood. It's gonna be awesome. It's a space ETF. And there's another one, UFO. I'll look into that in another video. But my plan was that space was gonna drop some more here, and I'll grab some dips and maybe I'll buy one live. But it just didn't go down enough yet. We're here after hours. On a good dip, I'll probably pick up some more. And yeah, so you could see overall, I'm growing wealth slowly over time by making smart investments, and I'm not panicking. And if you're trying to, more power to people that chase stocks. A lot of people are just penny flipping stocks and losing money because they don't really understand what's going on. There's people that do that successfully, and then there's the people you don't hear about. But to me, that's really risky. I like to play it safe. You're up against professionals. You're up against computers, algorithms. So it's really hard to chase and run after money and keep flipping and then adding and then flipping. That's a hard strategy. I like to invest. So I am invested in Space Virgin Galactic Holdings. Let's take a look at some news here. Kathy Wood's magic touch is so powerful these days. She could trigger gains for funds she doesn't even run. So if you don't know, she has ARK, and that's an ETF that's doing rather well. And I do have a position in ARK, and it went up a lot over a year. I think it was like 100+%. Don't quote me, I don't have the numbers in front of me, but it did really well. The ETF for space is going to do well, I think, over time. They're going to grab a bunch of space stocks and put the stonks in play in this space ETF. It's all space related. How exciting is that? This is the future. There's people out there shorting. There's professionals trying to drive this down. I don't listen to them. In my portfolios, I'm doing good and positive on all of them by not listening. If I see an article tomorrow that comes out and says Virgin Galactic Holdings, and there's probably a ton of them, is taking a dive, it's awful, don't put your money here. I don't listen to these people. I don't listen to them. And it's been working for me. And is it luck? No, it's beyond luck, because everyone loses money, of course, when you invest. I have a diversified portfolios, more than one, And I do that intentionally because I wouldn't park all my money into this. Now, if you're just starting out and you're interested in space and you're excited about it, I understand. 48 shares may be a lot of money. Fine. If you can afford one like every month, I'm not telling you what to do. Personally speaking, I would invest if I was really interested, one here, one there, and watch it grow over time. Now, everybody does their own thing. I understand money is different to everybody. So here you can see February 18th, 2020, I got 20 shares at $30, $600 spent. A limit buy here, 15 shares at $29.70 and 4 at $59.40. See, it was really high there. That's when it went way up, right? Right before the world changed. You know, it was an awful month it turned out to be. But look at this. Then over time, it started adding here, and then here I have more in my other portfolio as well. So Virgin Galactic Holdings, I think, is going to go to the moon. Let's see what people are saying today on Stock Twits. If you don't know about Stock Twits, it's like the Twitter for stock market. It's pretty interesting. It's addictive for me anyway. It's pretty awesome. I always go there to read. So let's see what's going on. Let's read this. Why ARK's Cathie Wood is so bullish on space. Costs are coming down dramatically. Let's check that out real quick. When was this written? All right, look at this. Why ARK's Cathie Wood is so bullish on space. Costs are coming down dramatically. It's brand new. This article came out today. I'll link it below for sure. Hopefully I don't forget. The space industry is undergoing a change paradigm that ARK investor Cathie Wood believes is dramatically opening the sector to investment opportunities. The cost associated with launching with the rockets themselves with antenna, they'll all be coming down dramatically thanks to both private and the public sector, Wood said on CNBC ETF Edge on Wednesday. So that's today. So this is going to get people talking. This is going to get people pumped up. This is no doubt another sign of what I'm saying, why I believe. Let's continue this real quick. Wood believes in the growth of the private side of the industry, naming the billionaires Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Richard Branson, who have their respective space companies, SpaceX, Blue Origin, Virgin Galactic, and Virgin Orbit, and added that she thinks that has really helped NASA out in terms of bringing down costs and adding capabilities. So this is really a strong statement, and I'll link the article in below. I'm not going to read the whole thing because it's making things cheaper. Costs are coming down dramatically, meaning more people with money can get us to space and make this more real. There's so many things going on here. This is going to be a big deal in the future. I'm not selling. If this thing pops to tomorrow, you think I'm selling for a couple of $1,000? Heck no. I'm holding on to these long term, guys. Yeah, totally. You know, if you invest in this early, if you have the money and you don't get crazy, because in my opinion, it's dangerous. It's too risky to throw a bunch of your money. If you took all your savings and threw it into a stock, that's gambling, in my opinion. You want to do this responsibly. You want to invest in growth companies that you really enjoy. Say you like Apple, you're on your iPhone every day, buy a share or two, and then you don't have their money. Whatever your situation is, you should just be saving and watching what you spend rather than having a nice a wallet. You want a Louis Vuitton wallet or something like that, buy a stock. Or you want a Louis Vuitton bag. I'm just using brands, which they're awesome, but maybe you want to buy a stock instead that of your favorite brand like Apple and own a piece of a company. Anyway, space donks, guys, to the moon. I'll be back soon with another video. I'm gonna be opening up more stuff. I did Holicity already. I'll be looking at that again. I did another whatever. I'll be back soon. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you're all investing wisely. I'll be back with another video soon. Peace.